As mentioned in the previous video, adding and editing pages and posts in WordPress is pretty simple out of the box. Hopefully you've already tried to add a page of your own, and now I'd like to show you a few of the ways that you can go about adding and editing pages in WordPress. The first and most common is to come under the Pages option here in the admin menu. From there we could see a list of pages as well as click to add new ones here or here. WordPress comes with a sample default page which we can go ahead and trash because we won't need it. Notice that when you send something to trash, it is not necessarily deleted, and we could always come back to it later and restore it. Or in this case, since we know we really won't need it, we could go ahead and click delete permanently. Now let's come in and add a new page called About Me. I'm going to paste in a little bit of information about myself, and let's just take a moment to look around this admin area. What we see first is the visual editor area where I pasted in the information that's going to show up on this page as the main content. Notice we have basic editing tools here, as well as a button they call the kitchen sink that lets you toggle even more options. Along the side, we may have options to set a feature image depending on the theme, and have page attributes, including options to pick other template choices, which we'll look at later when we look at other themes. We also have a few publish options. Notice that we could edit the status, save this as a draft, make it password protected or private, as well as schedule this to be published sometime in the future. There's another option up here called Screen Options, which will let us turn on and off certain features to show up on the page. For example, I just checked on Custom Fields, Discussion, Slug, and Author, and if we scroll down, we'll see even more options available down below here. We probably won't need any of these for what we're doing, so we can go ahead and uncheck them again, but it's good to know that throughout the WordPress admin area, you'll have screen options that may give you other options that aren't visible on the page or let you hide ones that are. Let's go ahead and publish this page and then see what it looks like on the front end by clicking View Page. We could see our About Me page showing up, and we have the ability using the admin toolbar to come back and edit this page if we want. We could also see that there's a new option in the toolbar where we can add a page from here as well. If we come back into the Pages area in the admin area, we could see that our page is listed as well as any other pages that we create will show up here. If you haven't yet, please go ahead and try adding an About Me page of your own with a little bit of information about yourself. If you've already done that, then see if you could figure out how to add a new post called Why I Want to Learn with WordPress with a short paragraph on your goals for learning about this great content management system. In the next video, I'll show you how to go about this task.